All right, so I'm about to back this U-Haul trailer into the spot. It's a 26-foot. It's a big, long trailer. Luckily, we have a lot of open space. I think he's gonna back straight back this way, so we'll have to make the whole loop. We gotta reconnect the trailer. Yeah. We got a car over there. All right, so now I'm about to make the loop, hook the trailer back up. I got him to the trailer. These trucks don't have the rear view camera. I have to get the small one, it does. Let's see. Just a little bit. Pull up to your left a little bit, go up to your left. All right. To your right. That's good. All right. Put that over there. So tips on driving one of these trucks, you want to make sure if you can have your spotter when you're backing the vehicle up. Also, when you're driving forward, make sure you leave space for wide turns. That's going to the left or to the right. If you're making a left turn, use the outside lane. If you're making a right, make sure you swing out enough to your left so you can leave enough space to make the right turn. Take your time, cruise the truck, no speeding. Take your time, you'll be all right.